I'm going to show you how to make homemade Swedish meatballs. You combine seasoned ground beef and pork into tender meatballs, then you serve them smothered in a rich, creamy sauce over mashed potatoes or egg noodles. They are a labor of love, but they are so worth it. In a large mixing bowl, mix panko breadcrumbs and milk. Add ground beef, ground pork, grated onion, an egg yolk, allspice, nutmeg, and salt and pepper, and crushed garlic. Form medium-sized meatballs and add them to a large parchment-lined baking sheet. Bake for 20 minutes at 400 degrees or until the internal temperature reaches 160 degrees. While the meatballs bake, make the sauce. Melt butter, then whisk in flour and cook, stirring continuously for 2 minutes or until golden brown. Add in beef broth and whisk until there are no lumps. Stir in whole milk, Worcestershire sauce, Dijon mustard, and cook until it thickens. Add the meatballs to the sauce and cook an additional 5 minutes. You can garnish with a little parsley, but that is totally optional, and then serve over either mashed potatoes or egg noodles. You are going to love these, I promise. For full recipe, visit my website at aforkstale.com.